Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today's video is going to be just a tad bit different. The first part of it is, well, I'm not going to be cooking anything. So I'm just bringing you along. I'm going to put some music in the background and I'm just going to show you some clips of my day. But don't go anywhere, even if you're not interested in that. Because when we come back at the end of that, me just showing you some quick clips of my day, we're going to come back and I'm going to give you some updates on things going on here at the farm. I'm going to update you on my health. I have some answers. So I'm going to update you on my health. I'm going to update you on the garden. I'm going to update you on the remodel. And we're going to talk about things that you may like to see and may like me to do during the time of the remodel. I'll still be cooking. I'll still be doing especially some crock pot meals, some grilling. There'll be lots of garden videos, but I have some ideas because you guys really liked some of my videos that were unusual that I have not ever done before. So we're going to talk about those and I'm going to ask for your comments down below. So just stay tuned with me as I give you some clips throughout, give you some clips throughout my day today. I've cleaned up the dining room and the kitchen. Judahbug's with me. So there's just a few clips. I'm just going to play some music in the background. And then we're going to come back and we're going to talk at the end of this video. So don't go anywhere because I need your input down below. So stay tuned and thank you guys for watching the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Judahbug. Have you guys ever heard of Blippi? If you have a toddler, Blippi is very entertaining for them. Judah loves Blippi.
This video. Take a picture of those sides. I'll see next video.
Okay, y'all, so forgive the hair. We just got back. Well, we didn't just get back, but we went to eat with our church family. And it wasn't the whole church. It was just anybody who had the day off or who could come out and get lunch with us or who wanted to. We did a lunch. And so when Judah and I got home, we both laid down and took a nap. So my hair is a little crazy. But y'all, it was so nice to be out. Our state has lifted the restrictions and it is just so nice to see people again and to see their faces, and it was just great. And so anyway, hopefully there is light at the end of this long, ugly tunnel that we've been in. So let me give you some updates. First of all, let's talk about my health. Many of you know I had a muscle biopsy and I've been waiting to hear back from it. And it took over 7 weeks for me to hear back from my muscle biopsy. But they have determined that the autoimmune disease that I have is dermatomyositis. And there's several myositises. And actually May is Myositis Awareness Month. But anyway, it's a muscle. It's where our bodies attack our muscles and our skin. And it has several. It can affect our lungs. It can affect our heart. There's so many different things that can affect but I'm just glad to have it named. They have put me on hydroxychloroquine, the drug that came out, a few months ago. I mean, it's been around forever, but they talked about it a lot on the news during this ugly tunnel we've been in. And so it is actually an immunosuppressant. So hopefully it's also an anti-malaria drug, but it works as an immunosuppressant as well. So anyway, we're giving it a try. I'll be on it for several months before I know if it's actually working or not. I will say that my rash is not near as bad as it is when I'm not on prednisone. And I'm not on prednisone any longer, so it is just the hydroxychloroquine. So far, I mean, I may not be having a flare of the actual dermatomyositis. It's a hard one for me to say. Of course, I'd get the one that I couldn't say. But anyway, so that's where we stand right now. I went for several months ago, and I probably told this already, but I went for a checkup on my artery that dissected, and I was going to be under their care for life. And he actually told me this past time that he was letting me fly. He was keeping me as a patient just as a as-needed basis. I did not have to come back to him every year. And he looked at me before I left and he said, this is not the outcome most people get. And in fact, most people die. And so, thank the Lord. So anyway, let me update you on the remodel. The remodel is, and I've probably explained it before, but I just kind of want to give a broad update on everything. It is a few weeks out. The guy who is going to do our remodel, he's finishing up a job. Plus, my cabinets were going to take about 3 to 4 weeks anyway. And I think we're about halfway through that time period. So by the time my cabinets are finished, he'll be ready to come and work and so forth. So my cabinets have been ordered. My stove has been ordered. I ordered yesterday, if you saw yesterday's video. I didn't show it or anything, but I went and ordered. It's a gas top electric oven stove. It's 36 inches, and I'm so excited. Let's see what else. I probably am going to go the next day or so just to get an idea of granite and a plan there. I've been looking at lights. I'm going to have a lot of the recessed lights, but I'm also going to have this is going to be a bar section, so I'm going to have some of those hang down pendant lights. So I've been looking at those. I haven't actually pulled the trigger and ordered them. But I've been looking. Let's see, what else? So hopefully in a few weeks, I'm going to start, even before a few weeks, probably next week, I'm going to start emptying out my cabinets and packing stuff up that I don't actually need. And so in the next few weeks, you're probably going to be seeing some activity around here. It's getting exciting. Speaking of the remodel, now this is where I need y'all's input. I'll be doing crock pot meals. I'll be doing, some ice cream freezer meals. I'll be doing some canning. I'll be doing regular stovetop type cooking as long as they leave my stove in here and it's just not totally filthy in here and I have some kind of room to video. I'm not sure. I'm not promising what the kitchen's going to look like during that time, but I also wanted to incorporate, y'all really loved the mother-daughter segment that I did, and you loved my try-on haul that I did. Now, both of those were abnormal for me. I'd never done any one of those. But as far as the try-on hauls, I'm willing to try things and do a review of them or let you know what I think, even if they're not sending it to me for free. I purchased it. Some of the unboxings, some of the box companies, Stitch Fix, I kind of would like to try, if y'all are interested, y'all tell me what companies you would like me to try or what stores. I don't even mind going in and doing a try-on haul right there in a store. Or if it's a makeup try, you know, trying the products. If it's a product or a company that you kind of want to try, but you're not sure you want to try them and you trust my judgment, leave me a comment below. Tell me what store, what company. If the store's local, I'll be happy to go in and do something there. If it's a box I can order, just let me know what you think. I mean, I can't afford to go out and buy every box or whatever, but I wouldn't mind doing a few and trying them for you guys and seeing what I think about them. I don't know that I want to do Thread Up. Thread Up is mostly used products, I think, and from the research I've done and from things I've seen, the cost of their used items, I could probably buy something similar, new, brand new, here. And I'm not opposed to buying used items. I just don't want to pay full item price for them, if you know what I mean. So, and that's the vibe I'm kind of getting from people with the Thread Up company that does the box. So I'd more likely do like Stitch Fix or Dia and Company or some of those. But you guys let me know if you've probably heard of boxes or things that I haven't even heard of, because I haven't really researched this a lot. But something to give me some video content while we're in the midst of the remodel. Does that make sense? And some things you would like to see me and Caroline do. Some video content she and I could do. I know several of you said let her do a makeover on me. So you guys just let me know what you're thinking so I can start planning some video content to keep my videos going even when my kitchen is torn up and I'm unable to cook. And like today, I'm not cooking, so I'm just doing a kind of go along with me day. But you're going to get bored of the farm. You're going to get bored. I mean, it's not, some days are just monotonous here on the farm. And if I'm not cooking, then, So, anyway, this is just kind of a talky video. And I just want to see what you guys think. Let's see, what else do I need to update? Oh, the garden. Let me update you on the garden. My garden has not done well. You know, my tomato plants, when I put them in, were pretty pitiful. We bought some new plants and we replanted a few of those plants. And those were beautiful plants. Those have died, but I think because the ground was so clayey at the time because of the rain and stuff, they did not make it. So, not going to replant any of the tomato plants again. I'm going to keep the ones I have alive and keep those. And I'm just going to go, I'm not going to try to redo anything. I'm just going to let it go as is because I don't know, I don't want things to go to waste, and I don't know where my remodel is going to be in the midst of the garden coming in. So if I show you my garden, it looks pitiful. Pitiful. We just didn't give it our best effort this year. But anyway, and my soil probably needs to be amended. And after this year, we'll probably do that right away and get it ready for next year. And so there's the garden update. It is hay time here. So we are busy, busy, busy in hay. I haven't had to work in the hay yet. I thought I was going to have to yesterday, but I haven't had to yet. Isaac and Bryant and my brother are doing it. And so yeah, that's the hay update. Well, Bryant's pulling in, and I'll be back in just a second. I want to talk to him for just a minute. Okay, so the reason I'm not cooking tonight is because Bryant's got an appointment, and I'm going to be here by myself. And Isaac's eating the diet stuff, so there's no point in me cooking. So I'm just gonna let Bryant bring me home something for supper. He's not real happy about it, but are you, Daddy?
It's okay.
He said it's okay. So anyway, that's the updates I can give you now. I can't think of anything else. If y'all think of anything else you need me to update y'all on, let me know. I'm not sure when I'll get a live video done, but maybe soon. So anyway, thank you guys for joining us here at the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, this is an abnormal video. Normally it's a cooking video or a farm video, but today it just happens to be kind of a go with me day and a little chit chat at the end. So thank you guys for watching. If you can, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to answer my questions down below. Like what other kind of content, and the try on or the boxing or the boxes, the trial of boxes, and and I may not can do them all, and I'll let you know if I can or can't. Probably in the next couple of videos, once I'll get your comments in, I'll tell you which ones I'm willing to try, or maybe ones I've tried in the past and don't want to try again. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all.